Okay, first you're going to need your ingredients. Saltine crackers, 1 1/4 cup of brown sugar, 2 sticks of butter, 2 cups of chocolate chips, and 1 cup of pecans. For your first step, you're going to need to place parchment paper on a cookie sheet. Don't forget to wash your hands before touching any of the ingredients. To start off, you're going to want to preheat the oven to 350 degrees. While the oven is preheating, place the saltine crackers on the parchment paper. Now that the oven is preheated, place 2 sticks of butter in a pot. Wait for the butter to melt so you can start your next step. Next, put 1/4 cup of brown sugar into the pot until it starts to boil. Make sure you stir constantly. After it starts to boil, you're going to want to pour the mixture onto the saltine crackers. Make sure it spreads out everywhere on all the crackers. Once you're done spraying the mixture, you're going to want to set the oven to 350 degrees and place the cookie sheet into the oven for 5 minutes. Once it is done, turn off the oven and take out the cookie sheet. Next, you're going to want to spread the chocolate chips all over the saltine crackers. When you are done spreading the chocolate chips, cover in tin foil for 2 to 4 minutes. Once the chocolate chips are done melting, spread them across the crackers. Once you are done spreading the chocolate chips, sprinkle pecans on top of it. Next, you're going to have to refrigerate it for 2 hours. When it is done refrigerating, remove the crack from the parchment paper. Then start breaking the Christmas crack into smaller pieces. When you have broken up into smaller pieces, place it into a container to save for later. Just as a recap on the ingredients, you need about 40 saltine crackers, 1 1/4 cup of brown sugar, 2 sticks of butter, 2 cups of chocolate chips, and 1 cup of pecans.